Did I scare you? Huh? Did I scare you? So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Coop, the Wonder Why Farmer, Wonder Why Farm and Homestead. And today we're going to work on our potato bed again. We're going to try to go ahead and put some boards around that and maybe make a little bit of a raised bed out of it. And what I'm going to be doing now is gassing up the tractor right there. And we're going to go down here where I have some horse manure that's been laying for about 2 years. And we're going to see if we can use any of that in our raised bed, along with our rabbit manure that we used a few days ago. So stick with me and come along and see what we got going on today. We put in our horse manure. I topped that off with the remaining rabbit manure, and I dug three ditches down through there, furrows, which now we're going to go ahead and plant the potatoes. Here's the potatoes that we cut in the other video, and as you can see, they're nice and hardened off now. You got a good scab over them, so we're going to go ahead and get those guys in the ground. So I put on about 3 to 4 inches of soil over top of the potatoes. And now I'm just going to go back through with my rake and just tamp in lightly, just so that we get some good soil contact there with the potatoes. Okay guys, the potato bed is in. You might be asking why I didn't fill the potato raised bed completely up. And my plan is, once the potatoes come up, for hilling them, for covering them over, as the season goes on, I'll add more material in there and hilling up around them. And my plan is to keep putting the rabbit's manure here all throughout the season, and you know, for the next few years. So hopefully with it biodegrading, breaking down between it and the horse manure, you know, and some material I add throughout the year, this bed will just continue to get better and better. So we're going to see what happens with these. Kind of an experiment thing. The rabbit manure is not a hot manure. You can put it directly on your plants and won't burn them up. So that's what we're going to try. So guys, I want to say thanks for tuning into the video today. If it's your first time here, please get down and subscribe to the channel. If you like this kind of stuff and like this video, hit that like button and ring the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you'll get updated. Until I see all of you again, hope everyone's staying happy and safe and healthy. And I want to tell everyone to have a blessed day.